Hello, everyone. I'm Sarah,
And I'm David.
and we want to welcome you to the Indiana Non-Public Educator Conference. Tell you we are so excited to see you there.
And we've got two sessions for you on success for struggling learners in math. And one's geared to grades 3 through 9, and the second is geared to grades 6 through 12.
All right, so we'll give you a little bit more idea of what we're going to discuss.
So our first session is Thursday morning, October 26th, 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. And the title of our presentation is Supporting Algebra Success for Struggling Learners, Going Slow to Go Fast. And this is geared towards 3rd through 9th graders. Two main objectives. The first one is participants will identify foundational algebraic concepts and skills across the 3 through 9 mathematics curriculum that are critical for the success of struggling learners.
And then you'll leave with a playbook of specific teaching ideas that can support student growth in algebraic thinking and reasoning skills. We're really excited to equip you with very specific strategies that you can use to help your students grow in their algebraic thinking. All right, and our next presentation is going to happen on Thursday as well from 1 o'clock to 2:30 p.m. And that's on engaging secondary. We're thinking about 6th through 12th grade students, struggling learners in the math practices. Why and how?
So our first objective is to help you all understand why and how the mathematical practices are key to the success of struggling learners at the secondary level.
Right. So then you're going to identify what student actions to look for if you're assessing current 6 to 12 student engagement in the math practices.
And then last, we're going to learn about specific pedagogical moves that can be made to maximize student opportunity to engage in the mathematical practices. And Sarah, I'm wondering, we got two comics here. How do they relate, do you think?
Right. Well, if you get to know David and I for any amount of time, you'll know that we believe math should be experienced with joy and love. So we do tend to use comics, but these we think are related to the topic of math practices. So, that this one on the bottom right, it says, it's important you learn math because someday you might accidentally buy a phone without a calculator. Ta-da! But the thing about it is that calculators just calculate, and math is a lot more than calculation. And that's what we're getting at with the math practices.
In this second comic, I really love because I don't know, I think all of us have experienced this at some point in time, but really for struggling learners, particularly at the high school level, it becomes more and more true. Like, why? Why am I doing this? So we're looking forward to seeing you guys. I hope you might be interested in either or both sessions. Real quickly, we didn't mention that why are we doing this together? Well, Sarah is a math educator, and I am a special educator, and we've been working together to align the fields better so that we really can comprehensively reach the mathematical needs of students who are struggling, whether they're identified with an exceptionality or not.
That's right. So you get the best of both worlds. And we find that, this will equip you to make a difference on the ground with the students that you have in front of you. So please come to our sessions. We would love to meet you. We would love to tailor the sessions to your specific questions. So come with questions and ideas, and we'd love to engage in some important conversations with you.
All right, guys, we'll see you on the 26th. Take care.